Do you want to watch the storm roll in? I have an apple, and I still want to eat it, but you're going to hate hearing that noise, so I'll try not to. Aren't the birds loving it? The birds are so happy. There's thunder. Whoops. I looked the other way and then my hand drooped. You're going to hear the kitten crying at us because anytime I'm outside and they're inside, it's a sad day. I love watching the swifts fly around. Would have made sense for me to get the tripod. Dear oh dear. We're on the porch. Standing right by the kitten that's crying at us. And right in front of the quail. This is a fun place to watch storms from once they're on that opposite hill, because the lightning is pretty impressive. Also neat how, look how it's actually still, I don't know, can you tell? It's still really sunny right there. Like there's blue sky still shining through over there, but it's too washed out from the brightness of it to show on the screen, I think. Yeah. I think this is going to be a doozy. I was actually able to walk down to our local hardware store and back up after work. I was pretty impressed with that because I heard the first peal of thunder as I left the house. And I just kept going anyway. Because I guess why not? I don't even know why. Those clouds aren't moving too fast, are they? I thought they'd be at the horizon by now. It's been real chilly up until today, but today was a lot warmer. In case you were wondering, kitten. That's a quail sound that you just heard? I don't know. When's the last time you've seen a thunderstorm, baby? Baby. I know. Well, I don't know when that cloud's going to reach the horizon. I thought it would have within a couple minutes, but it's really pouring now. Look at the ground. We'll just look the other direction for funsies. It's just a solid wall of rain in that direction. That is the prevailing direction for weather events. But most of the weather events, I don't know. There's a couple different prevailing directions because of rivers and stuff, different valley systems and things like that. But for the ones that I usually see, it's this way. If they're really, really bad, they come the opposite way, like towards my face. Right now, like this way. Yep. At this one, the wind's going that way. There's like a double edge on that cloud. That's neat. You see it? Yeah, you can see it. That is, wow, that's an impressive looking cloud. Getting dripped on, so I'm going to step back a little. Oh, that milkweed smells amazing. The milkweed over there smells as good as lilies do. That was the quail sound again, if you heard it. That is a rooster crow for a quail. Suddenly they're having adult features. Got an aggressive one. I have to sort it out, trying to figure out if I can let it grow to full size first or not. Quail sound again. Yeah. Ooh. Wind's getting stronger. I love the double edge on that cloud. That's crazy. Yeah. Storm's definitely coming. We're going to have lightning soon. It doesn't get dark until about 2.5 hours later. So this is just storm darkness we're seeing. And it's darkness. It is for sure. The garden needed the drink, so I'm really happy to see this happening. Okay. I hope you're having a good one, and feel free to like, share, subscribe if you feel like it for actual nursery and garden and quail and kitty cat, as you did see, content. And I hope you're enjoying whatever weather you're having right now, too. Take care. Bye.